Hi dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find duplicate line in Excel and how to remove duplicate line in Excel. In this table, you can see there is a two column, item name and item part number. In this column, some lines are duplicated. So I will show you how to find the duplicate line. This is a method. Select this entire table, then go to home. Then there is a conditional formatting. Select the conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, then go to duplicate values. Click the duplicate value. That time automatically that all lines will display like this. Okay, which are the duplicate line? That line show like this. If you want to customize this style of the duplicated line, you can customize. There is so many customize options here. Red text, then you can yellow. In this way you can customize. After that click OK. So here these are the duplicate lines. Then I will show you how to remove this duplicate line. For that, go to data, then again select this all table. There is a one option, remove duplicates. Select the remove duplicate. Here you can see there is a two column, item name and item part number. Click OK. Then 3 duplicate value found are removed, 7 unique value remains. Then OK. Here you can see this is your updated table. In this way you can find out duplicate line in Excel and remove the duplicate line. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.